here, and it's time, people, for another safe and sane demo for you. So, what do we have tonight for you? Well, we got a special treat. We got a 3-pack of a cone firework called Bullseye Cone, and not just a bullseye cone, a giant bullseye cone. And who's it from? Santan Fireworks, santanfireworks.com, where you know BBQ Rando gets 95% of his safe and sane fireworks from, here in the beautiful state of Arizona. Also available in New Mexico, aerials included over there, and you can get some down in Yuma on the California border. Check out santanfireworks.com for more information. So you can see here, emits showers of sparks. This is awesome packaging, and we got the caution down below. All right, we're gonna come over here, and we're gonna do 3 tonight. So I don't know yet. We're gonna probably just do one at a time and see, or maybe we'll try to light all 3. Who knows? But we gotta wait till it gets dark. So, you know where we gotta get started to head towards? The launch pad. So, before it gets dark, I gotta tell you something. I took the cone fountains out of the packaging, and look, you got red tissue, yellow tissue, and blue. This is getting awesome. And you know who it's brought to you by? You can only get them at Santan Fireworks, santanfireworks.com. We'll be right back. Yeah! All right, we made it to the launch pad, and we're getting ready to light Santan Fireworks' very own brand of 3-pack of these giant bullseye cones. So we got red, we got yellow, and we got blue. So let's see. Ooh, I only got one. We'll do one at a time. Let's see. Now, that was red. Let's do yellow. There we go. Santan Fireworks! Whoa! Whoa! Flippin' cool! All right, baby blue. There we go. You know where to get these, people. Whoa! Oh my goodness, those have to be the best cone fountains ever. BBQ!